Hello, I'm SeungMin. I am studying for master degree in electronic computer engineering at Cheonnam National University. The title is Survey on Virtualized Platform for Multi-Access Edge Computing Technology. The cloud is invisible to user, but it offers many benefits to user through central server computing resource. It offers user many benefits such as convenience or scalability and efficiency. Business can easily implement cloud service without having to deploy server at high cost to deliver new service. However, the difficulty of providing service that require real-time service response, such as autonomous or self-driving, and the centralized structure have the disadvantage of a single failure affecting the entire system. Having a distributed MEC server close to the user can ensure security as well as reduce the risk delay and risk through the distribution. The reduction is delay could also benefit from the provision of a new video or such as 4K, AR, VR. To configure MEC, NFV and SDN technology and visualization platform technology are required, and their contents are and research goal are presented. MEC is a multi-access edge computing which allow a server to be placed close to user and not just centrally, providing not only networking and storage but also data processing and machine learning technology function. NFV is technology that enable high performance network configure with scalability and resilience at a lower cost than network configure with existing hardware. With network function virtualization, the NFV architecture consists of NFV management and orchestration is the MANO, and VNFS and NFVI. NFVI is a network function virtualized infrastructure. SDN is software-defined network, which is a software process that divides the control part and data part. One that is responsible for the data, and the one that is responsible for the control unit in the structure where the control and transmission have traditionally been together. Communication due to disconnect usual communication protocol is open flow. Virtualized platforms are environments that support multi-tenancy by adding the virtualized technology or MEC to MEC, a standard set by ETSI, Europe Telecommunication Standard Institute. To this end, MEC is critical to NFV's network, virtualized and dynamic network operation technology through SDN, a software-defined network for utilized virtualized resource. We explain open source technology for MEC configuration. OpenButton is ETSI Mano, Europe technology. ETSI Mano's open source and visually scalable network function virtualized technology. OpenButton ensures the development of virtual network infrastructure by adding and adjust network capability to specific cloud environment. It focuses on improving the performance of the entire infrastructure by integrating the underlying infrastructure and software architecture, networking, management, and orchestration. In open pattern, NFV orchestrator manages the lifecycle of a VNF and interface with one or more VNF controller. ONAP is an open network automation platform. It's a Linux reading open network automation platform. Combine the ECONF and open orchestrator. ECONF is an enhanced controller orchestration and management and polish into ECONF is an open source project of the Linux Foundation with the NFV and SDN platform, and has SDN automation function, service distribution, verification, performance management, and freight management. OpenNode is a technology designed to target orchestrator framework for operation of SDN and NFV. This combination providing the ability to design, create, coordinate, and process the overall or lifecycle management of virtual network function. ONAP consists of software server system distributed in the form of a container, and components are large classified as component of the design time and runtime 2 framework. The combination of components present in the framework will provide automate log, allowing user to connect product and service through the infrastructure through proactive response under condition without user intervention, and to deploy NFVs and expand the network in an automated manner. HGX is a technology for establishing an open framework for IT edge computing. Its goal is to build a technology ecosystem by ensure interoperability with various IoT solution technology. In the market, based on independent response software platform of hardware and OS rather than creating new edge technology. In addition, providing independent architecture for the development, the environment of Java, JavaScript, Python, and C, or OS can accommodate a wide range of consumer needs. In addition, with the expansion of core API, the remind service have the advantage that can be replaced by their solution and other technology. Yeah, we have to learn about some leading technology in the NFV and SDN technology for MEC. The technology for the developed virtualized platform include OpenButton, ONET, HGX, MEC-based platform, HGX, and MEC-based virtualized platform which complement their shortcoming in the centralized cloud they have used so far, and have more benefit by applying them to the 5G network, are expected to be more liberalized by more data and technology coming up. However, research on how to support NFV manual processing and mobility according to the situation, how to handle the problem with physical failure, and how to solve problem delivered from virtualized physical server or cloud is required. Thank you for listening to the presentation.